Today we're hiking Whitney Canyon. There's a small waterfall at the end of this trail. I don't know if it's flowing now, but that's what I want to see. So let's go. Hear that bird? I like this place here. Every time I come, it's almost a cave. Not fully formed, but I think it looks so interesting. Now we're getting to my favorite part of this trail. All this wooded area. It's so beautiful here. And I still have to see if the creek has any water. Down here we're gonna get the first peek at the creek. Let's see. Okay, not here. Bone dry. Alright. Yeah, no water here. Let's continue. Look at that. Why, people? Why? That is nasty. That big old tree always has water collected in there. Let's see if it has any this time. Oh no. Yeah, that's always full of water. Get down, get down. Speaking of water, I really doubt that there's gonna be any water at that waterfall. It's weird because Santa Canyon right next door. The creek is flowing very nicely. If you haven't seen that video, I'm gonna put it up here. I was there a couple of weeks ago and there's still a lot of water. We'll see when I get to the end of this trail. Alright, so down there's the freeway. We just climbed up a little tiny bit. We're not that far away from the freeway. What is it, like a mile maybe? And we got a little bit more to go to the waterfall, which, as I said, I don't expect it to have much water, if any at all, but we'll see. Oh my god, I can't believe it. Hear that? Sound of water. Check it out. Check it out. Yes. Water. Well, hope restored. Hopefully the waterfall has some flowing water. Oh yeah. This is so cool. Look at that. Here we are. Yeah, not a lot. That's pretty cool still. Look at that, somebody put a rope up there so you can cross up here, because I think there's another tier waterfall after this one, but I don't like heights and I don't like slippery rocks, so I'm not gonna even try that. We'll stay here. Well, not bad after all. I'm really happy with this. Looking very pretty. I was just talking to this couple that crossed my path, and they were telling me about Studevant. I can never pronounce it right. Whatever. Those falls in the Angeles National Forest. He's saying it's flowing nicely now. The wife seemed to not agree, but I don't know. I might have to get myself a forest pass and probably go check it out next weekend. What do you think of this hike? I love this place. As I was telling the couple that I just met, right? Even if there's no water in the waterfalls, I enjoy the hike. That's what I come here for, the walk. If there's water in the waterfall, that's a big bonus, but you know, we're getting out of the wooded area, which I love, and out into the open again. We're very near the parking lot. Well, we're reaching the end of the trail, so I think I'm gonna end the video here. I don't think it's gonna be too long because it wasn't a very long walk, but I hope you enjoyed it. I know I did. I was not expecting to see any water in that waterfall, so that was a really nice bonus. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.